Alright, so good morning. We're going to do a look with this Wonder Woman palette from Hot Topic, and this is what it looks like on the inside, and there is a mirror. It says, and remember that in a world of ordinary mortals, you are a Wonder Woman. So if that is not words to live by, I don't know what is. I may have to stop for a minute because I have 3 crazy dogs on the loose, and they are about to drive me insane. I'm gonna stick my hair up with a little bobby pin. So it's not. You know. Isn't that gorge? I've got a crazy looking face today. So I'm going to zoom you in some so you can see what I'm doing. I have a whole pile of palettes here that we're going to do looks with today. Betsy, what are you eating? You eating makeup? I'm telling you, it's real. I'm almost done with this Urban Decay eye primer. I think I am done. I'm gonna get one more bang out of it. Probably more than I need, but I'm gonna put that on my lids. Just this normal primer potion. I'll grab a tissue from behind you. We're going to get some brushes out, and then we're going to work some magic. Magic! I hope we'll work some magic. Let's hope this thing, we can get a look out of it. I can find makeup anywhere. You can go into any store and find makeup. It's amazing. It's a special talent I have. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to take this little brush out of here from them. So we're going to go into this color right here. It's called Peace, and we'll set our eyes down. Oh, it's very pigmented. For a light color, it's very pigmented. Little mirrors right like in front of you. I'm trying to make this where you can see me. This is primarily matte shadows. So this is definitely going to be a matte look, of course. So I'm going to go into this color right here, this Hunter color. Actually, I'm going to go into Fighter, that brown right there, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Or make that my transition shade. Whoa. Whoa, Hunter, whoa. It's kicking up a lot, but I mean, what do you expect for a palette that costs $12? I am in shock and amazement about how pigmented this is. Wow. Wow. It's kind of going everywhere, but what did I tell you about Betsy? He was gonna get crazy. All right, I'm gonna go into this color right here, this darker brown. It's called Compassion. It's kicking up a lot too. But then when I feel like when I knock the shadow off my brush. Oh, Butsy's gone into the kitchen to kind of put himself in timeout. That's a good thing. He goes in there and spreads out like he looks like a bear rug. Okay. Let's see if we can go into... Let's see if we can go into this color, Mighty, right here. I'm gonna kill him. They're all just mudding up a little bit. They are a little bit close in color. So I guess I've decided I have to buy a new camera. Very upset about it. But I've said, I told my husband, hey, Enzo. I told my husband, like, I mean, this sounds presumptuous, and I don't mean it to sound presumptuous, but I was like, I'm not doing it until I hit, until I hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, either this thing is going to be, you know, we're going to get there, we're going to do something with this. Dogs for sale. So what I'm putting on right now is called Fierce. It is a glitter shadow, but the glitter's like just on the top. But I have a trick. We're going to darken up the outside some. First, let me do my trick. Alright, so I have this ColourPop, this shadows, you know, the white shadow, the supernova shadow, and it's called Firecracker. So I thought, do I put that on my lid? These things are fabulous. They're just as good as Stila, if not better, and they're like $5. You know how I was really trying to get us something from ColourPop? It's just not working out. I have tried so many different people to say, hey, help us out. We want to do a little fundraiser type thing for a good cause, and I don't think they understand that. You do have to wait for this to dry for a second. Okay. I'm going to go into the black. It's called Myth. It is black because I don't like the way the rest of this stuff turned out. I just need something darker there. Has a lot of fallout. I'd have been better off with tape with this palette. Hope, I needed our tape. I haven't seen Hope on here in forever. I miss Hope. I miss you, Hope. Can we please stop? I swear. Okay, we're going to clean that eye up some. Some micellar water. And a little tissue. Just like we had tape on. Alright guys, I'm going to put the rest of my face on, or at least my foundation and stuff, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, sorry about that. I'm like just filming away and forgot I didn't turn the camera back on. So I'm still working on my face a little bit. Not my eyes. Put some Mary Lou on. When I don't show you guys what I'm putting on my face, like when I skip over that, I'm just using my Project Pan stuff. Not anything new. If it was new, I'd show you. Promise, promise, promise. Promise, promise. I really feel like this look needs lashes, but I'm not putting lashes on. I'm having a hard time seeing today. I don't have my magnifying mirror on. I'm gonna do her eyebrows. That's what's messed up. Now you ever look at your face and you're like, what's jacked up? You ain't got no eyebrows on, girl. That's what's jacked up. Yikes. Okay, dokie. I'll put some brows on. Nothing spectacular. Using my ColourPop pencil. So last night, my husband and I finished watching The Keepers on Netflix. Oh, we were both so irritated when it ended. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it. You should watch it. Been trying, you guys know this, I'm trying to watch The X-Files, which we never watched when it first was on. And we're almost done with that, but we wanted to take a break. Of course, my husband thinks I'm going to be mad at this season. I think we're on season 8. We're at the beginning of season 8. He's like, you're not going to like this. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, your boy Mulder's not in here. And I'm like, what? Mulder has to be there. Like, I look like a... I don't know what it looked like, but something is not right. One went good, one went totally wrong. One went sideways on me. That's okay, that's okay. It's just eyelashes. I don't understand how people focus so long on their eyelashes. Like, it's not me. It's not me. So I'm going to put on this little mini I have of Russian Red. I love the idea of a red. I just don't like the way the red looks on me. too much. It's way too much. Oko doesn't like me making that noise. It's me she's barking at. Alright, my lovelies. So this is the look I got with the Wonder Woman palette. It's not the best of palettes, not the worst. Hey! Stop it. Lay down. Lay down. Calm down. Nobody's here. It's not the worst of palettes either. If you like a lot of mattes, it's got quite a bit of mattes in it. But, yeah. I'm going to try it again. I'll do another look with it at a later date, and we'll see how it goes. So, yeah. Let's see. So this is the look I have. Oh, wait a minute. We missed that. There's not really a good... Oko! Oh, she's just wound up. There's not really a good highlight in there. So I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Thunderstruck in my inner corner. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Who doesn't want a little badass Kat Von D with some badass Wonder Woman, right? So, let's see now. This is the look I got. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Tell me what you think. Leave me some comments, feedback, and I am going to also film a look using the Harley Quinn palette today. So, yeah, lots of looks coming today. You won't see them all at once. You know the deal. I'm just pre-filming. So I will see you soon. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe notification button. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love all of your comments. Thank you so much.